Hi Megs. Hi Kajal. Hi Achal One. How are you? Good evening, Sana. Anandita. Yashna Ahuja. If I miss out somebody's name, please forgive me. But I go through all your names later on. Hi, good evening, Mona. Geeta, hi. Firhabulous, hello. नीलम जी नमस्ते, कैसी हैं आप? Thank you, Pooja. I borrowed it from Akhil's wardrobe, by the way. Honest confession. Loveliest RK. Hi, Nidhi. Hi, Geeta. Good evening, everybody. I am so happy to see you all. Anandita. Mansi Mehta. Kajal. Hi. Great. I am so glad with the feedback that I'm getting. Yesterday you guys enjoyed the session on relationships. You understood the value. So today, Loveliest, sir, you took my name. I don't know what's your name, Loveliest. Achal, if Akhil allows me to rob some t-shirts, yes, I'll wear such t-shirts. Hi Bindu, how are you? Bindu is my bhabhi. I love you, bhabhi. So guys, since we are enough asaf, let us all start. Today is a very sad day for the film industry. Rather, yesterday onwards, a cloud of sadness. And I would start today's session by giving my tribute and honor to first Irfan Khan, whom we lost yesterday battling cancer. He died at a very young age of 53. It's not a good age to leave behind two young children. All the same, life has its own path. And I love the last words that Irfan said. I read it on a lot of channels, which he said, "Isn't this strange? In the end, we don't even get one moment just to say goodbye." That were his last words, that he couldn't even say goodbye to all his loved ones. So guys, enjoy, love, use this time to communicate your feelings. If you love somebody, tell them you love them. Bobby, remember that. Okay, also very fondly remembering Rishi Kapoor, the man who taught my generation how to romance, how to fall in love, how to celebrate life. Rishi ji, we literally, my generation, we learned how to live. We grew up listening to his songs, seeing his romances with so many heroines more apart from Neetu Singh. And he was a role model for my generation. I can never forget that one song of Curse which he said, "क्या तुमने कभी किसी से प्यार किया? हाँ किया, मैंने भी किया." So yes, it's a beautiful age, Rishi ji. We will miss you all through. And like I read on one of the tweets which said that now from the Amar, Akbar and Anthony, Amar's gone, now Akbar's gone. We are only left with Anthony and Anthony. Let's cherish what we have. We should be very grateful for everything. Yes, Branelsa, we are grateful that we can still complete all our relationships, complete our feelings, complete what we want to do. And today we will more or less concluding. Today is the concluding session on relationships. We will be starting something new from next week onwards. Tomorrow we will do a lot of interactive Q&As. So today is extremely important in understanding relationships, understanding what are the most valuable things of our life and making the most of them. So one sentence that I have put up as a post also way back, but I will remind all of you again. People, many of you are in your young age, in your teens and in your early 20s. My advice is, please choose your life partner extremely carefully. 90%, I repeat, 90% of your happinesses, joys, and pains and miseries are a consequence of that one choice. Do not be in a hurry to get stuck up out of infatuation, out of believing something as love, out of being in a hurry. You are not buying a chair, you are not buying a t-shirt. There is no easy path to make your life more happy than to choose a good life partner, your soulmate, whom you choose. So please don't be in a hurry. Check well. Even when a country gives you a visa, like I say, they check very well. They check everything about that individual. Even if you're getting a 1-week visitor visa, whereas you're giving up your entire life. It's not the number of years that you have put in your relationship. It's the kind of conversations that you had in your relationship which will bring about a lot of strength. So please don't be in a hurry. And do not resist asking questions. Do not be scared. How will he feel? Do not procrastination your disappointments. Do not postpone them, because whatever you resist, persist. जिस चीज़ को आप जितना रोकने की प्रयास करेंगे वो अंदर बढ़ती रहेगी. Do not hide away. Do not shy. Do not delay. Your most important questions, express, bring them out. अगर कुछ बुरा होना है तो अभी हो जाए, आज हो जाए. You will get more chance. जब जागो तब सवेरा. It doesn't mean कि मुझे तभी पता नहीं था, अब तो पता है. Many of my friends, my colleagues, my cousins have been talking, and we've been talking about now what are good investments? What is the best way to put use of whatever we have? हम कहाँ वो चीज़ इन्वेस्ट करें जो हमको बढ़ के मिले? तो I will advise, please invest in your relationships now. Invest in your families. Invest in your children. Invest in learning. And my advice to all young people is invest in trying new things. Every single day, do not go to bed before trying something that you have never done before. कितनी भी अंदर गुड़गुड़ हो, कितनी भी अंदर डिस्कम्फर्ट हो, अगर आप उसे फेस नहीं करेंगे तो आप उससे ओवरकम नहीं करेंगे. आज मैंने एक पोस्ट डाली थी जिसमें मैंने कहा था which area are you on, and people have been saying that they are very scared. Until you face your fears, you can never overcome them. They will only keep growing. ये दीमक की तरह है, वो आपको अंदर से खाता रहेगा. Please bring them out. Do not delay. Today I am going to touch upon a very, very nice subject which I have always loved. I've been doing this for 5-7 years in my relationship sessions. Malvika has covered a substantial bit of it, but this is a lovely subject which is called the languages of love. Now every evening almost 200-300 people come and listen to my talk, either during the chat or after that. People have been following me on YouTube also. But I want to ask you a very nice question. Why do you come to listen to me? The reason is very simple, because you understand the language, you understand the meaning of the words that I speak. I speak in English, you understand that, you give it a meaning. I speak in Hindi, you understand that. I speak a little bit of Gujarati, Sindhi, whatever languages I do add. And you enjoy coming because you understand very clearly what I am trying to express. Now imagine me coming here and giving this 20 or 15-minute session in Spanish or doing it in Chinese. I will not even get 1 or 2 people. That too, that will be my family. Maybe Akhil would be watching, or maybe my mother, who sometimes comes on my live chat and watches. But nobody wants to listen to something that they do not understand, because that's not their language of communication. So we usually communicate in 3 or 4 languages, even in every relationship. In family also. So we communicate in English, in Hindi, in our mother tongue, say Sindhi, Punjabi, Gujarati, Marathi, Bengali, Tamil, whatever, Malayalam. And then we speak a tutti-frutti Marathi, or the state that we live in, so 4 or 5 languages. And people understand only these languages, remember. Similarly, our ways of loving are multi-dimensional. There are over 1,000 ways to love. But if you want people to understand that you love them and they love you, you need to understand what are first what are your languages of love. आप कौन सी भाषा प्यार की समझते हैं? Okay, I will explain more. You can get lot more details about it in Malvika's session. She has done a beautiful session on that, but I will put it in my way. And these languages are summarized in an acronym which you should write down or note it, and they are called Q-RAP. RAP is a packaging and Q is, I call it, for quality. So good packaging, a good language of love will help you understand and improve your relationship first with yourself, and then it is extremely important to sit and talk to your important relationships, your families, your boyfriends, girlfriends, mothers, fathers, brothers, and your close friends. What is their language of love? If you like to be spoken in English, Hindi, or your language, great. Firstly, tell them, I would really like it if you speak to me in this language. Like my mother always tells me, please speak to me in Sindhi. Or my sister-in-law always tells me, aap mujhe Hindi bola karen, don't add English. And there are some people who insist that I speak only in English. So I'm going to cover these subjects. Similarly, in the languages of love, the Q-RAP is what I want you to note down. Q in the Q-RAP stands for quality time. When I mean quality time, I mean undivided 100% attention without a TV, without the phone next to you, without anything distracting, even not eating, just looking in that person's eyes and talking or listening most of all. My mother always believes that her language of love is quality time. मुझे तुझसे और कुछ नहीं चाहिए बेटा, तूने मुझे सब, मैं satisfied हूँ, मगर ये एरिया में अगर आप मुझे रोज समय नहीं दोगे. And for me it was so easy. All that now I have to do is allocate 1 hour of my time to my mother in 24 hours. That's hardly anything that a mother can ask for. So I sit with her and just listen to whatever she has to say. She's extremely fond of talking. I believe I got this habit from her, and that's why I'm able to lecture. But yes, so that is her language of love. Quality time is invariably the language of love of all the seniors. So please understand that. The W stands for words of appreciation or acknowledgement. Basically, words of applauding people. There are quite a few people in the world who, out of low self-esteem, low self-image, उनको एक inferiority complex होता है. और हमें अगर वो पता हो, for a very very long time in my life, let me confess, I had that. I told you yesterday I'll share some stories. I would do that, but probably I'll postpone that to tomorrow because I'm today building the background for it. ये inferiority complex हमारे में कहाँ से आता है? तो हमारा ये ज़रूरी है जानना कि what is my language of love and what is my loved one's language of love. If it is that, it's your moral obligation. The only way to win their heart or make them take to a higher level of happiness is appreciate their small acts of kindness. जो भी वो करें उनकी तारीफ करिए. Acknowledge that you have seen it and you are happy and proud. So कई बार ऐसा होता है कि क्योंकि मेरी ज़रूरत होती थी मैं लोगों को देता था, मगर सामने वाले को तारीफ नहीं चाहिए थी. My mother did not want to hear great things. She wanted me to listen to her. Similarly, the third language of love, which is important to understand, which is the R, is receiving and giving gifts. हमारे प्यार करने का तरीका तोहफों से ज़ाहिर होता है. How you give a gift, when you give a gift, how do you pack it, what is the effort you've taken, what are the short notes that you've written on your gifts. Also, when somebody is bringing that and assuming that their language of love is giving gifts, how warmly you receive that gift. When you receive that gift with that warmth, that person starts believing that जिससे मैंने तोहफा दिया, that person loves me. So one language of love is receiving and giving gifts, basically exchange of energy through things. That's the language of love for many people. There are many girls who will very eagerly wait for a rose or a card or a bouquet or even a small 5-star on the date, and it will change a lot. That could be the same for some guys too. Okay, that's R. A is for acts of service. अगर मैं आपके किसी काम आ सका, so let us assume my language of loving you is my act of service. मैं चाह रहा हूँ कि मैं आप सबकी ज़िंदगी में बेहद खुशियाँ लाऊं, आपके संबंध बेहतर बनाऊं, आपकी ज़िंदगी की जो ये ब्यूटीफुल जर्नी है उसे, जो परिस्थितियाँ हैं वो तो हैं, हम उसे तो बदल नहीं सकते, मगर what we can do, what we do is what we have is what I want. So acts of service in Malvika, it is that complete what you start. खाना खा करके प्लेट उठा लें, थोड़ा घर के कामों में हाथ बताए. For some professionals it is if my wife can help me. For some females it is if my husband can help me in the cooking or the shopping or buying fruits. So understand your and your partners and all your relatives languages of love. So that is one beautiful language. And P, which is the last one, is personal touch. थोड़ा इस समय के दौरान, इस साल के लिए थोड़ा दूर रहें, मगर touching a person, when you tap a person, I had done a program in Singapore where I learned this beautiful thing, the power of touching. So when you put a hand over somebody's shoulder, or like Akhil teaches me, he says, Dad, the best thing that you've taught me is touching people's feet. जब मैं किसी इन्वेस्टर या किसी बड़े बुजुर्ग के पैर छूता हूँ तो मेरे को बोलते हैं, यार तूने हमारा दिल जीत लिया. So yes, touch is also a language of love. If we can identify in the 5 of these, QWRAP, quality time, words of appreciation, receiving gifts, acts of service, and personal touch, what are your 1, 2, 3? And go ahead and share it with your partners and your family members. And also ask them what is theirs. I believe your relationship will go to a very different level and you will be able to understand the person's love. You need to love and understand and accept the things that come in your relationships. Invariably हम ऐसे पूछते हैं why, उसने ऐसा क्यों किया, rather than asking why in your relationships, why don't we start asking how? How can I make our relationship work? What shall I be able to do that we can make our relationship better? If you be in gratitude to the person and ask this person and tell them thank you, but I want to become of more value and improve our relationships. My father said this beautiful thing, and I always remember it, that we have the power to do 2 things. 1, accept the things that we cannot change, and 2, change the things that we can, make an effort to that. Even a beautiful dialogue which was said by Amir Khan in Rang De Basanti is something which is stuck on my head. जिंदगी जीने के 2 तरीके हैं. एक, जो हो रहा है उसे चुपचाप होने दीजिए और उसमें बीच में अपना पैर ना अड़ाएं. और दूसरा, अगर आप समझते हैं कि आप किसी चीज़ को बदल सकते हैं तो उसे बदलने का बीड़ा उठाइए, अपने ऊपर ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लीजिए और ये जिम्मा उठाइए कि मैं इस चीज़ को बदल के रहूँगा. So this is something that I would like to tell you in your relationships. And if you want to know a true, sincere sentence about relationships is more about giving. Finding joy in giving will strengthen your relationships. Be generous. Being generous is a virtue, not outside, not with others, but valuable relationships. Forgive generously. Forget generously. Love unconditionally. It can move mountains. Also, please learn to express your expectations explicitly. मैं ये चाहता हूँ या चाहती हूँ, सामने वाले को ज़रूर बताएं प्लीज़. एंड साथ में not all that you expect will happen. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने जो चाहा वो ज़रूर होगा. कुछ होगा, some will not, so what? SW. Some will not, so what? So, don't attach a meaning, and your happiness eventually is in your hands. किसी और को कोई हक नहीं है कि आपकी खुशी आपसे छीने. People ask me how can I be responsible for my happiness? I will teach you simple things First one is U-turn. Your happiness is in your control, not in somebody else's. So U-turn. Now, how can you increase your happiness? 7 simple self-loving steps. Step 1, love yourself. किसी और से प्यार की उम्मीद कम रखें, खुद से do. Now this is a very good list. बहुत ज़रूरी है ये. Please make a note of this list. What you do not need to do. Avoid self-pity. अपने ऊपर तरस खाना छोड़ दीजिए. Please avoid self-pity. It will help you a lot. Avoid the habit and addiction of arguments. Stop arguing over petty things. Please give value to what are you arguing about. Remove this habit of complaining. This is a constant thing. Our conversations are filled with complaints about weather. Can you control anything? About गर्मी बहुत है, सर्दी बहुत है, बारिश बहुत है, महंगाई बहुत है. Stop complaining. What is my friend. Stop blaming others for what's happening in your life. Only you are responsible. ट्रेन में गर्दी तभी होती है जब आप जाते हैं. So you are responsible. Don't blame the गर्दी in the train. Stop being greedy. मुझे और चाहिए. This is not enough. And that comes out of comparing. Comparing is the enemy of joy. Please remove this habit of comparing. Please remove the habit of holding on to your negative past. Do not picturize all negative moments of your life. Don't remember only the accidents and the falls and the failures and the heartbreaks that you've gone through. Remember great things that have happened to you. Don't be too sensitive. छोटी छोटी बातों को बुरा मानना. It is stupid. Small things will keep happening. जिंदा हो तो जिंदगी ऊपर नीचे होती रहेगी. Don't be too sensitive. Also very important, avoid anger. Anger is like having poison and expecting the other person to die. It will never happen. Your being angry with or about anybody is not going to help anybody. So please remember, nobody else should have the power to decide how you feel about anything. Don't lose your control and don't let anybody else control your life. Yesterday I was giving a small note on ego, and before I end today's session, I'm going to read a very beautiful clip. I believe every evening before I end my session, I have decided I'm going to read some valuable clips which you can refer to even later in your life. I will just go through your questions if there are any. Very good, Shikha. I'm glad you're getting goosebumps. That's amazing. Loveliest, I love you too. Beautiful. I know even you like Rishi Kapoor songs. Sanya, you can watch this over here if it's coming and going. मैं क्या करूँ यार? Disha, thank you for joining. Shilpa, hi. ईगो ने हमें बहुत सताया है यार. अगर हमने इसकी दवा ढूंढ ली ना तो हमको कोविड की दवा ढूंढने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. जिस दिन हमने ईगो का इलाज कर लिया ना, ये ऐसी वायरस है जो हमें अंदर से खोखला किए जा रही है. हेलो अदिति, इट्स माय प्लेजर. ए पलक की मम्मी नमस्ते, कैसी हैं आप? धन्यवाद, आज आपने अपनी बेटी की बात मानी और मेरे साथ आप आई हैं क्लास पर. आई लव यू पलक, थैंक यू, यू आर ऑसम. बेटी हो तो ऐसी. Yes, Saujanyaka. Sorry if I'm saying your name wrong. Yes, Malvika's session is extraordinary about the languages of love. She has explained it much more beautifully, but I gave it an acronym of QRAP. बड़ा आसान है याद रखना. जैसे कोई आदमी सामने आता है, मैं देखने की कोशिश करता हूँ. It's fine, Sonali. Better late than never. Okay, Maulik. Hi, Maulik. Maulik is an aspiring mentee of mine, and he wants to be settled in America. That is his vision, and I'm sure Maulik, with these sessions, he's in this 12th standard right now, and I'm extremely fond of him. He's a very dynamic kid. He's very recently started running 5-10 kilometer runs and marathons. या लब्दी शाह, ये हमारी कमी है कि हम एक्सप्रेस करने से बहुत डरते. हम ऑलरेडी अज्यूम कर लेते हैं कि क्या होगा, उसको कैसा लगेगा. या लवलीस्ट आर के, आई अंडरस्टैंड सम इंसिडेंट्स आर अनफॉरगेटेबल, बट देन कैन यू चेंज देम? Tell me something. If you remember your past, they keep coming to your mind again and again. Can you do anything about it? नहीं. Just उनको, इसीलिए मैं कहता हूँ अंधेरा भगाना मुश्किल है, खुशियाँ लाइए. I know those are unforgettable. Don't put effort to remove अंधेरा. Bring प्रकाश. खुशियाँ लाइए, अच्छी अच्छी इंसिडेंट्स याद कीजिए. Create great. How to stop complaining? What is tick 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 is, जो है सो है. प्लीज, व्हाट इज नॉट इन योर कंट्रोल, उसे बदलने की प्रयास में आप बहुत दुख पाएंगे. आई नो यू डोंट लाइक कंप्लेनिंग, बट यू एंड अप डूइंग दैट. नाउ प्लीज टेल मी, आंचल, इफ यू डोंट लाइक कंप्लेनिंग एंड यू डू इट, हु कैन चेंज? Getting angry? Yes, if you have poison and worry over small things, who is going to die? Just check. Are you smart enough? Where's your intellect? क्या हो रहा है? Beautiful. सोनाली, लॉकडाउन तो बंद होने दो यार. She is more worried के बाद में क्या होगा. How should we prevent ourselves from overthinking? No, overthink, but think positive. Think great things. Visualize what if. Can we try to ignore it? No. If you will resist, it will persist. Don't try to ignore your feelings. जिससे आप जितना रोकेंगे वो उतना ज्यादा आएगा, क्योंकि लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन काम करता है ना. So rather add some great things. Okay. Hi Shruti. Shruti, would you like to join me? Let's see. My cousin from Delhi wants to say a hi. Let's see if I can get her. Ask Shruti how is she feeling about these sessions, and after that call I'm going to read you something amazing. She declined. Shruti, I don't like that. Okay, great, no problem. How to find your passion?